Every industry faces the same challenge: how to reduce high operating costs. While the demand to continuously increase production never stops, at the heart of every industry, efficiency is key. However, many companies face the problem of corrosive combustion processes, slowly degrading the quality of the furnace as a production site. This triggers more frequent maintenance cycles, adding to the operational cost burden. With ever-increasing costs, production levels find it difficult to grow. For 25 years, thermal efficiency issues in the industry have been our primary focus. Solcoat Industries, founded in the United States in 1998. From the beginning, our mission has been to deliver thermal coating technologies to help industries reduce fuel consumption and emissions around the world. Solcoat ceramics coating. We don't just coat, we create an active surface that is protective and efficient, with a unique three-step process: absorbing. Solcoat ceramic surfaces absorb the total heat energy from the fire. Transform. This energy is converted into a much more focused form of radiation: firing. This super efficient energy is fired back to heat your product directly. This process directly breaks the chain of problems. The quality of the furnace is better maintained, making maintenance schedules less frequent and operating costs more efficient. The end result is a significant increase in production capacity. Proven expertise in over 315 furnaces across multiple countries. Various vital industry sectors around the world. Team of certified experts. Working closely with local partners, guaranteeing global standard quality.